Okay, guys. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Can you see that it's recording?
Yes.
You can?
10, 11, 12.
Okay. All right. So, today we are going to practice the vocabulary from Unit 2. I noticed when we were in group together that some people were having difficulty explaining some of the terms that we've been using in vocabulary. So today we're going to work together and we are going to get these words defined and a picture of them, and then you're going to put that into your math journals so you can always have it to look at when you are working in your classroom. So the first thing you're going to do is choose one of the words. So all the terms are in the first pile. I'm going to turn those over, but we'll use this as an example. So we have, what does this one say?
Numerical expression.
Okay, numerical expression. All right, so then the next thing we're going to do is turn over a picture. And this is not the picture. This is the picture of this one. Do you agree that this is a numerical expression?
Yes.
Okay. And then we're going to turn over the definition and read it. And it says what, Brandon?
A mathematical statement including numbers and operations.
Okay. So since this is not a complete sentence, I want to make it a complete sentence. So when we're finished with all of this and you're writing it in your journal, I want you to write it as a complete sentence. So if it's not already, you're going to take the term and say something like, a numerical expression is a mathematical statement including numbers and operations. Okay? And so when we're reading them together, you can do the same thing. We'll make sure we're speaking in complete sentences. Okay? All right. So I'm going to put this one here. So once we get all three parts to them, then we can make a pile for each one. Okay? All right. Who would like to go first? All right, go. You got voluntold.
Algebraic expression.
Okay, so put it up there, and we're going to make our piles here because we have all of the pictures and all the definitions out of order. So we're going to work together to put them in the right places. Okay, so now you can choose a picture.
3x plus 2.
Okay, do you think that's an algebraic expression?
Yes.
All right, put it next to it. Do you agree?
Yes.
It's an algebraic expression? Okay, cool. All right, your turn. Pick a definition.
It is a group of numbers, symbols, and variables that express an operation or a series of operations.
Okay, is that what an algebraic expression is?
Yes.
Yes? Oh my goodness, all right. So randomly, we got the first ones as a group. So let's make it, actually, I guess we could just leave it like that, but we have a ton of cards. So, all right, we'll leave it like that for now until we get too many.
Half.
All right, who's next? Time for another word.
Coefficient.
All right, next, choose a picture. Maybe not the next picture. Maybe we can go out of order.
9 times 3 equals 20 plus 7.
Okay, do you think that illustrates coefficient?
No.
No, okay. So let's put coefficient, let's put the word in line with algebraic expression and then make a new line for this picture. How about that? All right, next.
Less than is used to compare two numbers when the first number is smaller than the second number.
Do we have a place to put that yet?
Not yet.
All right, let's start a new one. Okay. Do you agree that we need to start a new one?
Yes.
Okay.
Commutative property of multiplication.
Commutative. Say it again. Commutative
Commutative.
property of multiplication. Okay, do we have a place for that yet?
No.
Can you tell me why this one is not commutative property of multiplication?
No.
Let's look at it. We start with multiplication, right?
Mhm.
What does commutative property say? You don't know? Can you help him with that?
No.
Is it something like changing the order? I think it involves changing the order.
I guess.
So do you see it here? Changing the order?
But that one is addition, not multiplication.
Exactly. So this is multiplication. This is a
Addition.
different one. So it's addition. Right. So we're not just changing the order
Right.
of something in a multiplication problem. So that's why this is not the picture for that one. Okay? Where were we?
Yeah.
Definition.
No, you just did this one. So it's picture. Yep. Some algebra here. N plus 4 equals 4 plus n. 5 plus 4 equals 4 plus 5, and then 9 equals 9.
Okay. So does that show something that we already have out?
Nope.
What is it showing?
It looks similar to that, but it's not
Right.
multiplication.
Right, good. So commutative, so we were talking about the order of things, right? So here we change the order, but as you said, it's not multiplication, it's
You-
addition. All right, good. Next.
A numerical factor in a term of an algebraic expression.
Do you see anything like that?
Is that coefficient?
Coefficient.
A coefficient is a numerical factor
Yeah,
in a term of an algebraic expression. I think so. All right, good. Let's go to the next one.
Ordered pair.
Do we
Are
have a
you
pic-
trying to shop for pear?
Do we have a picture of ordered pair?
I don't think so.
All right, let's start a new one. All
Are
right,
you
hun.
trying to shop for pear?
No.
No, Alexa.
All right.
5x plus 3. I think that is coefficient. 'cause it
It says coefficient.
It says coefficient right there. All right, we got two of them. Woohoo! All right, good job. Let's keep going. How many minutes do we have over there?
7.5.
We already did 7.5. Okay.
The amount that remains after one quantity is subtracted from another. We don't have that yet.
All right, start a new one. Okay, let's try to get one more set, and then we're going to take some video of a different part of the lesson.
Difference. I think it's this.
Okay, why do you think it's that?
Because the difference is the answer to a subtraction problem.
Okay.
And
Good.
the amount that remains after one quantity is subtracted from another is the answer.
Good.
5 is greater than 3. We do not have that yet.
All right. So what do we need to do?
We have less than, but we don't have greater than. So new.
Yep.
Move down this way.
All right, come on. Let's find one more complete set.
The product stays the same when the order of the factors is changed. A times B equals B times A, where A and B are any real numbers.
Okay, do you see where that belongs?
Commutative property of multiplication.
All right. Good. Let's keep going.
Distributive property. No, we don't have that.
Okay. Next.
3 is less than 5.
Yep.
Right there.
We have the
All right.
definition.
Good. Keep going.
The product stays the same when the grouping of factors is changed. Parentheses A times B and times C equals A times parentheses B times C, and where A, B, and C stand for any real numbers.
Wow.
Don't think we have that.
Okay. Start a new one. Go ahead.
Equation.
We don't have that yet?
2x plus 4y plus 7x, and 2x and 7x are like terms.
Like terms.
Yeah.
Do we have a hint there? Okay, next.
A mathematical sentence that compares two unequal expressions using one of the symbols. Less than, greater than. I don't know the rest. Don't think so. Not
No.
yet.
Okay. Next. Yeah, sorry about that. They didn't print very well.
Is constant.
Constant.
Doesn't look like we have that.
Okay. Woo! We're getting really spread out here. Okay, keep going.
In parentheses, -5 and 2. X, Y. That's an ordered pair.
Ordered pair. All right, very good. Okay, so I think we will stop right here on this because I want to get a little bit of the next part of the lesson. Okay, so let's go hit stop on that. How many? Okay, now that we have a few complete sets, I would like you to take out your math journals, and I would like you to draw the picture for each thing, then use the name of the term and the definition in a complete sentence to write out what that picture illustrates. Okay?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
What would I like you to do?
Write the picture, and then write the definition and the term in a complete sentence.
Okay. I think you got it. All right, go ahead. And then we're going to take those cards and put them on the word wall. So that will be available for us to use when we need to look at a definition or a picture to help us. And also you'll have it in your notebook so that you can have it right with you whenever you want. Like for homework, when you don't have the word wall to look at. All right, so we're ready for your exit ticket. I would like you to show us one picture and then say the complete sentence using the word and the definition. All right, Clayton, you go first.
(3x plus 2). An algebraic expression is a group of numbers, symbols, and variables that express an operation or a series of operations.
Okay, thank you. Good job. All right, put that one back. And Brandon, would you show us one?
A coefficient is a numerical factor in a term of an algebraic expression.
All right, very good. Do you guys have any questions about this?
No.
All right, so we will continue this next time, and you can refer to your math journals and the word wall whenever you like throughout the quarter. Okay? All right. Thanks, guys.
Still going.
Got it.